Would you look at these? Fucking drag slick. Fucker's mint. Oh my god! Rusted steps. Oh, fucker.
You're you!
Alright.
Man, how tall you want your truck? I want it tall as hell. Back windows, I want them open. Mirrors, chrome as hell. Suspension, I want 2 of them. Bow tie, turquoise as hell. Grill, stock as a motherfucker. Rims, turquoise as shit.
Bro, you got the wheels, dude? You got the stance, bro? You got the tinted taillights, dude? You got the ankle catcher, bro? Bro, you got the headlights, dude? Bro, you drive a Duramax, dude? Got the antenna? That's a bullet, dude?
Okay, if you drive a big yee-yee truck, you best know how to park your daggum yee-yee truck. It's not that hard. Just go in between the lines. I have one. I can do it. Surely you can, okay? I mean, you are making all of us look bad.
All right, my truck's been making this really weird noise. Like, I can't hear it when I'm out here. I can only hear it when I'm in the truck and I'm driving.
Waiting for us. Are you seriously on TikTok right now? I'm gonna divorce you. I swear to Christ. It's unbelievable.
I mean, see, now I can't hear it, but you open the door.
It's not even funny. No one even likes
What
that.
in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker, Miss fucking Betty White shit is this?
Yo, what you doing, Billy? We caught you red-handed.
Yeah.
Huh?
He's not allowed to get out.
Yeah, stay in the truck. Son.
Why are we going so fucking fast, nigga?
We stopped though.
Yeah, what?
Oh yeah, Mike can do that too. Mike can do that too.
Steve, you think you like the Carolina squat?
Let me tell you, if you want to recline the seat, there's a button on the side of it to pull, and it reclines the seat. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to recline the seat. That's some crazy shit right there. Some motherfucker has lost his mind to pay to recline the seat. They come automatic.
Hayden, get out of here. Hey, what? Hayden, you think you can pop by my big old truck? You really was crap.
Oh yeah? My got a 10-inch BDS coilover fast suspension with the 99er draft 9ers.
Oh yeah? Well, I got a 20-inch riff with 20-inch tie lines and 40-inch tires and also rims and a schmuck fox shop.
Oh yeah? Well, I got the 99 and the 99 and 99 and the 99 bumper for cows. Oh!
That's fake, Mom!
Oh yeah, Skip! I got the V custom hooder with the 99er V12 9er and the supercharger 9er with the bed hoods for the skittle puddles.
Bald tires with a nail in her? Fucking mint. Broken back window and beer cans all over? Fucking mint. Gotta start the bitch with pliers because a crackhead stole it? Fucking mint. Fucking hood don't even open? Well, god dang.
I'm gonna need a cigarette on this one.
I'm leaving to go back to work. My cousin is laid up in the ditch. By a Chevrolet, they said.
It'll be a hell of a time!